Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make a G. So the only way how to make a G is to make a C in a line. And the way how to make a lowercase c is a lowercase g is to make a circle and a candy cane top. So I'll show you right now. First I need to remove my puppy, never mind. Okay, so a C and a line. So a circle and a candy cane and a C and a line. And a circle and a candy cane. So, thank you! And click on the website. Watch my website and click on the website and to watch all my cool videos. Thank you.